Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Piyush Didolkar and you're watching BitnewsIndia. Now guys, today the BTC buy is at 2,81,292 rupees. The BTC sell is at 2,67,255 rupees. Now people, as we can see that from the past week, now the BTC prices have been very flat. So this means that it is gaining a new support level right here. Let us say at 2,75,000 rupees to 2,90,000 rupees, gaining a support level right here. And if the uptrend comes, then this support level will become very important, as it is a very good supporting level just below 3 lakh rupees. So if the BTC is very flat, what we can do is we can start trading in altcoins. Now our top gainers in the past 24 hours is the Rise coin, which is at 38%. The IO coin, the IOC, it has risen by 25%. And the Decorate coin, it has increased by 19%. Let us see our top investments pick today. It hasn't changed since yesterday, and all the reasons are the same as I told you yesterday. So at first is the ATCC or the ATC coin as we know it. Second is the BitDeal coin, and third is the Monero. Now remember guys, the BitDeal coin is for a very short term period. That is why I've put it into my investment lists. And Monero is rather a long term coin in which you can invest for futures. Now guys, in the Bitcoin news from all over the world today, the first news that I want to tell you is that the Australian government has cut down taxes on the purchase of cryptocurrencies. Now what was happening there is, like India, like our country, they also have GST, goods and services tax. And what was happening is that when you were buying currencies, the people there were they had to pay taxes on buying those currencies. And again, when they tried to exchange it or pay for it, pay using other cryptocurrencies for some products or for some services, they were again being charged some amount of tax. So now what the government has done is that they have deleted the tax that that was issued when you used to buy the currency. So now buying the cryptocurrencies would be tax free, but they will still charge you on exchanging it or maybe paying in the form of cryptocurrencies for any other goods and products. So this is again a positive news, where you see China bringing on different kinds of bans on their ICOs and exchanges. Other countries around the world, yesterday Mexico stated that they will give a legislature, and today again Australia has stated that it will make all the cryptocurrency buying tax free. So again, it's a very good news, and this they've done so that when you buy cryptocurrency and you start using it, it can be treated in the same way as physical currencies are treated. Now in other news guys, as I told you yesterday, that in Texas a complete real estate transaction has been completed solely by paying through bitcoins. Today, one of New York's biggest diamond merchant, it's an international luxury diamond brand, it's called Samer Halima, New York. And what they have done is that they have announced that they'll start accepting Bitcoin against diamonds from tomorrow. So see, again, big brands, big luxury brands, and these people are selling diamonds against Bitcoin. So it's getting accepted widely. And when news like such come in, we see that China news has been shrugged off by Bitcoin. So it is not affecting it anymore. And as soon as people there in China get a clarity on what is happening, they will again start investing, and the support level will still be maintained at 2,75,000 rupees. So again, there are chances that after 30th September, when things get more clear, the Bitcoin can have a sudden boom once again. Now, in our third news today, you people must know how Snapdeal and Flipkart work, right? Now, what happens there is that there is a lot of loss of data and there is no transparency in payments and all. So there is a global online store called Storica. It's quite a famous brand out there, and they're shifting their complete technology from keeping databases to blockchain technology. Now what this will do is that it will create a lot of transparency in payments. It will also mean that they do not lose any kind of data, and also that their data does not get manipulated. So people are trying to go towards the blockchain technology more and more, and the biggest advantage of it will be that they will start accepting cryptocurrencies, but they're already accepting cryptocurrencies since quite a few time now, but they'll increase it, and it will be possible to do it because the blockchain technology will be involved in here. So people, as I told you in the beginning, that if the BTC is running flat these days, what we can do is we can start trading in altcoins, because there are quite a few fluctuations that are happening in altcoins, and because the BTC is so flat, we can calculate our profits and investments very easily, and whatever we earn isn't depending on the BTC value. So in this segment today, what I have done is that I will give you quick 3 trading tips for coins that are they're fluctuating a lot in a period of say 7 to 8 hours, and then you can go in there and you can book very few and smaller profits, but again it will be very quick, and you can do this every day. So to start with, let's see, the first coin that I have picked is the BitDeal coin. Now people, everything after this decimal is called an mbit for the Bitcoin. So what I would suggest is that for BitDeal, you buy it at 11,000 mbits and sell it off at 14,000 mbits. This is the fluctuation rate of BitDeal that is going on right now. The second coin is the ATCC, as I told you. Now the people who have started investing, since I have started talking about ATCC, you would have seen that your investments are already thrice now, and it's just been 20 to 25 days and it's already thrice. So if you want to enjoy your profits, one thing you can do is that you can liquidate them now, or wait for some more time, let's say a month or so, and we predict that it might go up more. So if you want to sell and earn profit, that is also fine, and if you want to hold it for a longer period, I would suggest you do that. But for the short period, right now when the BTC is flat, I would suggest that you buy ATCC at 32,000 mbits and sell it at 35,000 mbits. The third coin that I have picked up is the Nelson coin. It's a very inexpensive coin. It's a very cheap coin, but it has a very good fluctuation rate. And as far as my team's readings are concerned, it's not a bot operated coin. It's very genuine, but it's still very expensive. So I would suggest that you buy it at around 15 mbits and you sell it again at 20 mbits. Now, if you people are thinking that these are too much of big amounts to calculate or to invest into, just remember that 1 bit, in 1 rupees, 1 INR, we get 356 bits, around about that. 300 to 350 bits we get. So all these prices that I've mentioned in M bits is equivalent to that. So it's not such a big of an amount, but still you can earn profits out of it on a daily basis. And at the end of the month, when you will find that, okay, if you've put X amount into as your investments, you'll find out that you've earned a very fair amount, getting those investments and the profits back. So guys, this is it for today. Please like, comment and subscribe on the video, and share this video, subscribe our channel, and I will be there for you every day, like I am doing, some healthy predictions for you so that you can go invest and earn profits out of it. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.